Drawing pyramids.
Hi, we're going to have you drawing some awesome pyramids today. So let's get started. Pick a starting point and draw a left and right splat line. We're not starting off with a whole cube, just a flat square that we'll call the base. These lines at the back are dotted. That means that they'll be hidden later. We're not going to see them. So we need to find the centre of this square that's at an angle, isometric. Here's a trick. Line up a ruler to the corners, but you only really need to draw in a little short line in the middle. Okay, so that's going to find the centre for us, and that's where pyramid height is measured from. I'm going to choose 5 centimetres for this one and mark off a point, and that's called the apex. I'm going to join the apex to each corner of the base. First, the lines that you can see. There's one, the line closest to me, and the one at the right-hand side. So you can see why those ones at the back are dotted. The very back one's hidden, but I'm going to fudge it. I'm going to lean the ruler a bit and draw it in because it makes more sense to be able to see it. Let's leave a finger gap and start another square. So we'll flip that and draw the back edges. I'll be doing some rubbing out later. All right, so this one is going to be a 6-sided pyramid, which is called a hexagonal pyramid, hex meaning 6. So we'll draw a light line from corner to corner, and I'm going to use the small ellipse to measure a distance. From that corner, I mark off one ellipse, come back to the corner, and mark off an ellipse out to the right side. So I'm just using it as a measuring kind of trick at this stage. So we'll go 1 to the left, and from the corner, 1 to the right. You've got it. So we've got 4 marks so far, but we need 2 more. On that light line that we drew earlier, come out from that corner and put a mark. Same on the other side. If you miss this, we're going to go through the same step again for the next drawing. Okay, so we need to find the centre. Same trick as before. 2 crossing over lines called intersecting lines. Find the centre. Choose how high you'd like it. I'm going to make mine 6 centimetres this time. You can make the apex as high or low as you like. There's the apex, but we're going to come back to that later. First, let's darken in the shape of the base. Now remember, it's going to have 6 sides. So there's 2 sides, horizontal lines, and then we go to that one at the left and join. Same thing at the other side. Boom, boom. And there is your hexagon. So I'm going to erase here the lines that will be hidden. Now, I actually do erase this fast. That's not sped up. I'm kidding. All right, so there's the erase. And let's find the apex. And we're going to go join, join. There. So there's the 3 sides that we can actually see. Now the dotted lines are marking in the edge that's hidden. There's 3 edges hidden. And those corners, we go to the apex, and that is how you would draw a hexagonal pyramid. You'd probably only see those back ones if it was made out of glass, which we may actually draw in later. So here we go. Here's a repeat. So we're from the corner, we're drawing that. I've ghosted in the drawing that you can see where I'm going with it. Remember, we come in from the left, come in from the right, and finish your hex. Now I am going to see all those, just not that guideline that I started with. So I'm leaving the 6 hex lines, and I'm finding the centre now, and I'm going to measure from the centre of the base up just 1 centimetre. It's going to be very low pyramid because it's going to be an umbrella. So that's actually the apex. And as before, I'm going to join it to each of the 6 corners. Those ones at the back appear shorter. All right, so there it is. Now I'm going to draw in the pole underneath and a little winder handle. And there we go. Look, it's been fun. Just keep practicing. Send me some drawings. And I especially love beginners' drawings. Take a pic and email them in. I promise not to put any online unless you give me permission to. So let's hope you do some practice. The more practice, the better you get. It's as simple as that. Guys, have fun and colour your drawings, and I'll see you next shoot. Bye.